They move toward the grand entrance. The ship grows larger. A forgotten world awaits.
The piano reacts slightly, as if touched by memory.
Gravity loses its hold. The giant rises. Sand falls like rain. The water retreats. The scale is breathtaking. A titan stands dry. The countdown begins. Everything is new. Everything is perfect. Laughter returns to the halls. The silence is broken. The ship is finally happy.
Deep beneath the ocean, a forgotten luxury floats in silence. A Titanic-style cruise ship.
A submarine descends slowly. Lights reveal elegant ship structure. A luxury mystery begins. The sonar reveals full structure. Ballroom, cabins, piano hall. Everything is still there. The ship appears fully, covered in ocean life. Luxury buried under time. The restoration team begins operation. White suits reflect underwater light. Precision and elegance combined. Each diver carries a number. Silent movement in deep water. A luxury mission begins. They move toward the grand entrance. The ship grows larger. A forgotten world awaits. A hand touches golden metal. Coral breaks away slowly. Luxury reappears.
An elegant emblem appears, still shining softly. A symbol of lost luxury.
The grand staircase is visible, but blocked by ruins. Beauty is hidden inside. Lights are placed carefully. The darkness fades slowly. The ship awakens visually. A broken chandelier appears, still hanging in silence. Frozen elegance. The ballroom is revealed, grand and silent. A dance frozen in time.
The team enters slowly. Water flows through halls. Luxury meets silence.
A piano sits untouched, covered in ocean life. Music is still inside. Chandeliers float slightly. Light passes through crystal. Beauty still exists. The scanner detects signals. Something is still active. The ship remembers.
The piano reacts slightly, as if touched by memory.
A hidden door is detected. Behind the ballroom, a secret lies deeper. The entrance is cleared slowly. Debris floats away. A hidden world opens.
The door glows faintly. Energy responds to presence. It is activating.
A control room appears, full of old systems. Luxury had technology. Lights begin to flicker. After decades of silence, the ship is waking. The chandelier begins glowing. Soft golden light returns. Luxury is reborn.
The ship glows across its structure. Lights travel through corridors. Luxury is returning.
The rescue begins. Machines meet history. The grip is firm.
Stripping away a century. The name emerges. Identity is being reclaimed. Breaking the seal. Rust turns to dust. The ship is opening up. Gravity loses its hold. The giant rises. Sand falls like rain. First breath of air. Sunlight hits the steel. The ghost returns to the living. Entering the sanctuary. The real work starts now. From wreck to wonder, the water retreats. The scale is breathtaking. A titan stands dry,
cleaning the skin. Every scar is smoothed. The metal finds its shine.
Stronger than before. Modern bones. Future-proofing a legend.
A hive of restoration. thousands of hands, one common goal.
The color of royalty, deep, rich, and new. The transformation is visible.
Golden power, reflecting the light. The engine of luxury is ready.
The scent of fresh wood. Every plank is perfect. The path is set. Crowning the queen. Crystal and steel. The sky is the new limit.
The brain is upgraded, smart, swift, and sharp. The ship knows its way.
Clearing the past. Making room for dreams. The inside is a blank canvas.
Artistry is back. Detail by detail, the soul is being rebuilt. Liquid gold. Pure luxury. The shine is blinding. Let there be light. A galaxy inside. The darkness is gone. Innovation meets class. Seamless movement. Luxury is effortless, flowing with elegance. Every drop is perfection. The system is flawless.
She is no longer a wreck. She is a masterpiece. The world will be shocked.
The final touch. The name is proud. Ready for the relaunch. The countdown begins. Everything is new. Everything is perfect.
The queen returns to the water. But as the engines start, a strange sound comes from the deep hull.
She floats again. Buoyancy is restored. The weight of history feels light, leaving the cradle. Back to her kingdom. The blue horizon awaits. Engines engage. The heartbeat returns. Power flows through the steel,
cutting through the waves. Graceful and fast. A titan reborn. The elite arrive. Wealth meets wonder. The new era begins. Every step is royalty. Every detail is curated. This is the pinnacle of travel. Laughter returns to the halls. The silence is broken. The ship is finally happy.
The finest gold in a glass. ASMR of celebration. Luxury at its peak. The music is real now. No longer a memory. The soul of the ship is singing.
A floating star. Visible for miles. The ocean's brightest jewel.
Deep in the systems. A pulse that shouldn't be there. Technology is acting strange. Energy is leaking. Magnetic fields rising. The ship is more than metal.
The world disappears, lost in the white. The past is calling again.
The ship is breathing. Communication or a warning? The luxury feels cold. A secret revealed. Old documents found. The original blueprints were a lie.
This is not fuel. This is ancient energy. The source is discovered.
No signal. No coordinates. But we are going somewhere. The ship has a destination. Something is waking up downstairs. Something we didn't restore. Something that was always there.
A ghost in the reflection. The mirror doesn't lie. Two ships, one body, invisible guests. The restoration opened a door. That cannot be closed.
North is gone. Logic is failing. The ocean is changing. The ultimate awakening. Not a ship, but a portal. The luxury is just the mask.
Beauty turns to power. The ballroom is the core. Hold on to the dream.
We didn't fix a ship. We woke up a Titan. And it wants to go home.
The restoration is complete. The journey has just begun. Welcome to the new world.